Introduction to the meaning of fractions. Equivalent fractions. Simplifying fractions. In this math tutorial, you will learn 1. What are fractions? 2. What are the components of a fraction? 3. What are equivalent fractions? 4. How to simplify a fraction? 5. How to write a fraction in the lowest terms? Introduction. How do you express in numbers an action in which you divide an item in two equal parts? How do you express in numbers any of these parts? In which of these examples do you eat more pizza, when you divide a pizza in 4 equal slices and you eat 3 out of 4 slices, or when you divide the same pizza in 8 equal slices and you eat 6 out of 8 slices? Why? How do you express the fact that you have eaten 8 out of 8 slices of a pizza? In this tutorial, we will focus on parts of a whole, often expressed in math by using fractions, one of the ways of expressing parts of a whole. Note there are other ways to express parts of a whole. That is all for introduction to the meaning of fractions. Equivalent fractions. Simplifying fractions. To start this tutorial, please watch the first lesson 3.1.1, Definition of Fractions. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.info.